The powerful 750-watt motor drives a dual-action random orbital mechanism that effortlessly removes swirls and minor imperfections from your vehicle's paint. With its 6-speed control dial, you can easily adjust the polisher's speed from 2,000 to 5,200 revolutions per minute for tasks ranging from gentle waxing to aggressive paint correction. It offers excellent user comfort and control during long detailing sessions, thanks to the inclusion of both a D handle and a traditional side handle. The machine's electronics ensure a smooth startup and maintain a consistent speed under load, which prevents stalling and provides a more stable polishing experience. This detailing kit is exceptionally comprehensive, arriving with a wide assortment of 5-inch and 6-inch polishing pads, compounds, and even an apron and storage bag. Beyond automotive applications, this versatile tool is also perfectly suited for polishing furniture, sanding wood, or restoring other painted surfaces around the home.